Introducing the Evenflo Triumph LX, a convertible car seat that can support babies from 5 to 40 pounds in rear-facing mode and children from 22 to 65 pounds in forward-facing mode. Voted the #1 car seat by a leading consumer magazine, the Triumph LX was designed with both you and your baby in mind. At Evenflo, we recognize that no two children are exactly alike. Our unique infinite slide system allows for quick and easy harness customization and proper fit for your growing child. There is zero need for harness rethreading, as you simply slide the harness to create a tailored fit for your child. Tightening your child's harness on the Triumph LX is just a few clicks away with Tension Right. You simply turn the knob, located on either side of the car seat, to automatically tighten the harness on your child, ensuring a proper fit. When it's time to remove your child from the seat, you'll simply press the upfront harness release button, loosen the straps, and unsnap the chest clip and buckle. The Triumph LX's recline right lever allows you to adjust and lock the seat into one of 3 different recline positions. The Triumph LX with the tether, latch connectors, Tension Right, and comfortable fabrics is one of the most fully featured in our unique line of Evenflo convertible car seats.